Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the image and a place to host it. Upload the image to your chosen host, cloud storage, image host, or your web server so you get a reachable URL. Once uploaded, copy the direct file path or the provided link. Make sure the file permissions are public or set to anyone with the link so browsers can load it. Also check the file name and extension. This matters for MIME type and correct rendering in browsers and apps. Now build the actual link or embed code for your destination. If you're adding to a web page, use img src equals URL alt equals description. If you want a clickable image, wrap it in a href equals target. For markdown-friendly platforms, use alt text URL. Once done, replace URL with the direct image link you copied earlier and fill alt text for accessibility. Make sure to use HTTPS when available. Finish by testing the link in context. Open the page or post where you embedded the image and verify it loads and displays at the correct size. Once done, test on mobile and desktop and confirm secure HTTPS delivery to avoid mixed content issues. If the image fails to load, check the direct URL, file permissions, content type headers, and hosting hotlink restrictions. A quick troubleshooting tip: if it's blocked, try temporarily setting permissions to public and reloading to isolate permission versus path problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.